I am very proud to announce you guys our very own Premiere Pro and After Effects plugin, Odin Pro. Adding it to Premiere Pro and After Effects, it's like giving it steroids. It will enhance your editing skills like no other plugin does, without the side effects. With high quality transitions like zooms, warp effects, split, arcane, and film burns, you don't need another transition again. These can be applied by simply picking the one you like and dragging it into the timeline. There you go, all transitions come with sound effects by default. If you don't want them, simply toggle the sound effects button here. Next, motion graphics. Everything from lower thirds, title animations, timers, and even text messages and tweets, everything you can imagine. They are applied the same way as transitions, you just drag them into the timeline. Then you can select them and adjust everything you want in the properties panel. You'll also get weather widgets, phone call animations, everything you can imagine. Next, title animations. These right here are all customizable title animations that you can again drag into the timeline, adjust it in the properties panel, and boom, there you go. You've got some awesome typography slides, cool shapes, animated backgrounds from gradients to shapes, digital effects and lines, everything. Next up are the effects and overlays. You'll get high quality film looks with aspect ratios included, VHS effects, scratches, grains, everything. You've got glitch effects, bad signal, aberrations, leaks, camera shakes, and it doesn't stop there. Sound effects. You can sound design any video with the sound effects included in this plugin. You can preview them before importing, which is awesome. Odin Pro also works in After Effects in the exact same way. The plugin is updated constantly with new transitions, new effects, new motion graphics. It is constantly being refreshed, so you'll always find something new. Also, there's a free version, no trial, with more than 50 free transitions, effects, motion graphics, no watermarks, completely for free. Download Odin Pro now for both Windows and macOS.